is the website. Here, under the achievement, we can see three things: scholarship, graphic design, and cyber internship. To do this, head to Visual Studio, and here add achievements, like here. Between A and LI, make a new UL. And copy one of those. Here we have scholarship. Save and let's check. Let's see the original one again. Here, inside the cyber internship, we have security tools, threat hunting, GRC, red team, and pen test. So, in order to do this, in cyber internship, make another UL, and again, copy one of those. Here type. Let's check it out. Okay, those need some styling. Just to save time, and so you do not get bored, I typed it in the CSS style. You can pause the video and copy the code. If you are a beginner in CSS and HTML, you can play around with the values and find out what the right size for you. So let's start. However, I will explain some of them. Here, I named the class submenu for the second one, and for the third one, I name it as super submenu. So for the submenu, here, we should have give it the right position, which is absolute. For example, if we didn't give it absolute, like if it's relative, see the difference. Okay, let's get back to absolute. Also, we should display it as a none, because if we remove this line, see, this menu is show up even if I didn't hover over achievements, which is wrong. Let's get back to that one. And when we hover over it, it show up like as a block, which is right, like this. See, when I hover over it, it show up. Okay, the same for the submenu. It should be relative and give the center text and some margin. I think it's clear here. For the super submenu, which is this, the position should be absolute and this is the translate, should be 100% for my design. You can play around and see what's happened here. Let's see. Okay, this is the position for the super submenu. Okay, let's change something here, make it 10%, and see, the position is wrong. As I said before, you can play around and see the difference. And when I hover over it, it should be displayed as a block. If I remove this line here, so it doesn't show up. Well, let's go back, and it should be okay.